think that I actually came on camera trying to act cute. You guys are absolutely right. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Sabrina Isabel and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about CocoShine, and you guys know that I have done a previous video before. I'll throw up the clip right now, a few months back, and they were so sweet enough to send me a couple of new items to test out for you guys. So thank you CocoShine for sending me this product. Before I forget this while rambling into this video, if you guys want to purchase any of these products, you guys can use my discount code, which is Sabrina20, and you get a 20% off. Sorry, this is 22%. You get 20% off, guys. So the code is Sabrina20. So yeah, this is the CocoShine that actually I reviewed a couple months ago. This is how the packaging actually looks like. They actually paired it with the blue brush, as you can see, because it's a blue border over here, and they paired it with the blue brush. So kind of makes sense. So moving on to the items that they sent me, I'm very goofy today. I have no clue why. They sent me this very cute CocoShine headband. Can you see my pigtails? Can you see the way how I did my pigtails? It's like zigzag. I kind of look like an athlete right now. Okay, so they actually sent me the CocoShine Teeth Whitening Powder Activated Charcoal. So this is their new packaging. It's very cute, very appropriate. I love the color so much. So this is the new package and this is their old packaging right here. So you can literally see the amount of difference of the packaging, but it's both the same product. They just revamped the entire packaging, made it more cuter, and they paired it with the pink brush. CocoShine actually launched something new. Somewhere around May, they actually launched a new product, and it's their organic clay mask. So they actually sent me one of the clay masks, and this is the CocoShine Cleanse Activated Charcoal, and it has coconut and shea butter, and this is the organic clay mask. So I'm actually going to throw up a picture right now. This was taken right off from CocoShine's Instagram page. The first one is Unwind, and this has rose, lavender and strawberry in it. All their masks are all organic clay, and then you have the Cleanse. Okay, and then the third mask is called Revive, and it is matcha, aloe vera and cucumber organic clay mask. You guys know I'm very bad at pronunciation of words, so I got the one Cleanse, and they also sent me with their applicator as well. So I will definitely leave all their links down in the description box below. This set they actually sent me, it is called their Charcoal Essentials Kit, and it retails for $84.95. Each of their clay masks actually retails for $34.95. Just the charcoal itself, it's $39.95, and then the toothbrush comes for $4.95. I'm really wanting to try their makeup and mask. I'll throw a picture right up here. Makeup and mask remover pad. I've seen like a lot of brands coming up with this. I so want to try this pad out. Let's go ahead and get this video started, and let's brush my teeth on camera. So let's go. So how do you apply the teeth whitening powder? So yes, floss first, brush your teeth with Colgate, and then use this. So you just open it out. Very airtight packaging so that there's no leakage. Dip a brush in the water. That's how we're going to do things right now, guys. You dip this right into here. Brush your teeth for 2 minutes, guys. This only takes 2 minutes. Okay, so for the teeth whitening, what it does is it will help you whiten your teeth, remove stubborn stains, strengthen your enamel, draws out toxins, and keeps plaque at bay. It's a medical grade coconut shell activated charcoal that binds toxin, stains, and plaque from your teeth and flushes them straight out from your mouth. Wow. It whitens, it protects, it detoxifies, and it gives you a nice shine. And it's 100% organic, vegan friendly, and it's cruelty free. One thing I really love about this product is this doesn't actually get stuck in between your teeth at all, and it doesn't have like that funny taste to it. Goes on really smoothly, dispenses very easily in the mouth. When you do use any whitening products on your teeth, try to avoid anything that stains your teeth, like coffee, tea, Coke, any product that will stain your teeth for in the next 4 to 5 hours, so that it will actually work in your mouth a little bit better. Find that it actually whitens the teeth slightly better if you avoid any teeth staining drinks. And yeah, I'm just gonna go and take off my makeup because this makeup has been on my face the whole day. Alright guys, so before I go off and take out my makeup, I just wanna let you guys know again, I'm not hard selling you guys. If you guys want to purchase this product, you can just use my discount code, which is Sabrina20, and you get a 20% off. it will take a little bit of time to actually mix the paste together, because you got to really mix it up so that, you know, it's not clumpy on your face, not too watery, not too thick. It's a mask, so if it's too watery, it's gonna just slide right off your face. Do mix it with the spoon and not with the brush, which I did mix with the brush and it doesn't help with the brush. This mask helps to wash the toxins, dirt and bacteria and excess oil out of your life, which is very good if you have a lot of nasty things going in your life. It's good to come back home and actually put this on your face so it throws out all the bad things out of your life. So this detoxifies, which is to purify your skin, banish acne and tighten your pores. It has activated charcoal, Moroccan lava clay. It also protects your face from a radical damage. Say goodbye to even skin tone. It has anti-aging and collagen boosting effects. To bamboo leaf extract will make your skin smoother, firmer and plumper. And it helps to repair your face as well, means wash away acne and regenerate your skin with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory power of vanilla, vine and coconut extract. And it also helps to hydrate your face, to relieve your dry skin and give it a radiant glow with a hydrating effect of shea butter and licorice extract. Also, it's 100% vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it's 100% natural ingredients. This mask actually is like half a teaspoon of the powder mixed with water. If you want a little bit lesser, you go a little bit, like maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. If you just want for your face, it's more than enough for the face. So we'll let this set for about like 10 to 15 minutes and then I will come back, guys. Guys, can you see that you just made my neck red, guys? Can you see this line over here? Just this line over here. Just made my neck red, but I can honestly say it made my skin so smooth. I do realize that I do have a little bit of discoloration on my nose, guys. Gotta do something about that. Okay, so this mask tightened on my face like no other mask. I can honestly say truly like it. I love the way how it made my skin feel. Amazing, guys. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much, and yes, don't forget to use my discount code if you want to purchase these products. This is Sabrina20 and you get a 20% off, guys. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.